Today we are going to be unboxing all of these Mario minis from the new Mario movie, Mario Galaxy. And before we start, this is not sponsored. We are not sponsored. There's no way they would ever sponsor us. Anyways, now to begin.
It's the Leo Show, the Leo Show, the Leo Show. The Leo Show, the Leo Show, the Leo Show.
The reason I was able to take these figures out of the box so well is because my dad used his laser blade to cut the tape. If you are doing this at home, like unboxing these, know that it is not as easy as it looked. These are all the figures you can get from those single packs. I'm pretty sure there was a Peach and Toad set, but I couldn't find it, so that's why we just have Peach and no Toad. I feel like a lot of you people know a lot about these guys, but just in case, Princess Peach is this character that in the games Mario has to say all the time, blah blah blah. But in the movies, she isn't. She's like in the first Mario movie, you have to say Mario has to save Luigi's brother from Bowser, who we do not have. And this is Yoshi. He first appears in this movie. Oh, and here's a little thing that they can do with these stands. This is Bowser Jr. He is Bowser's son and heir to the Koopa throne. And this is Wonder Bowser Jr. He first appears in Mario Wonder, and in the game he's created when normal Bowser Jr. gets a Wonder Flower. For those of you who haven't seen the movie, close your ears. He becomes this by using his paintbrush. Whatever he draws with the paintbrush comes to life, and I guess with this he created like a mega version of himself.
Is that everything?
Yes. Or is it?
What? Oh my gosh. I think we're going to have to pause to cut the tape on this one, and then we'll be back to unbox it.
This is the Bowser's Castle playset, and guess who comes in it? Lord Bowser! It comes with his topiary, his bowl of soup, which I guess is also a heat reveal thing. You wanna know what else is? These paintings. With enough heat, you'll see it crystal clear. My favorite is this. That is a true work of art.
All right.
This store opens and closes. This is where the topiary goes. This is where his bowl of soup goes. Above the fire.
And then the piano. There comes with instructions that tell you where that's best to go.
Really?
Yeah, right here. It says right here. Right?
Paintings.
Paintings they have in the different rooms.
Now in this room.
You can see.
This playset is actually modular, so you can take the different levels apart. if you want to play with just the middle or just the top or just the bottom, you can take it apart. This gives you easy access to every area in the building. So although we couldn't get all of them, like there was a Yoshi egg playset that had flame, like fire Mario, which was literally just a recolor of this Mario. And that Princess Peach and Toad pack, I'm okay with this. We got the Bowser's Castle, and we got the single packs. Yahoo! And again, we were not sponsored. The end.
It's the Leo Show, the Leo Show, the